Hey guys, today I just got this box and so I ordered a iPhone 4 on eBay and I guess this could be the iPhone 4, but it's pretty heavy. So I'm not really sure what I got. I paid $50 for this thing. Like I don't have a phone, so I kind of wanted to get one like an iPhone 4, just like a cheap one, but it was 50, so I was like, you know what, let me risk it. So hopefully this isn't full of like crap or something. So it's pretty heavy. It's a box. I don't know. I'm gonna just look this way and just pull everything out by one. So what is this? It's a package. What the? Okay, you know what? What is this? What is this? Shoot, I can't take it apart. Okay, what's in here, dude? Oh! Are you kidding me right now? Look at this. How much is that? There's a 20 and all the rest are singles. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 30, $39. Are you kidding me right now? That is a lot of money. That's pretty cool. Okay, I looked, but I didn't really see anything interesting, so we're gonna just pull from right here. What the? Emoji headphones. What even are these? Alright, that's that. Oh, it's a tripod. I wonder where I could put this on. That's nothing. Is there anything in it? No. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's what the... Isn't there supposed to be a piece that... Oh, dude, it's like a... It's a telescope. But it's like a first act discovery one. That's bad. Designed by Apple in California. What is this? Is this like a Apple Watch wristband or something? Oh, it's all the manual stuff. What does that mean? Oh! iPod Touch. At least I get a phone, right? At least I got some. Isn't this like $100 or something? So, I already got my money back. I mean, I already got like $30. I feel boxes at the bottom, so I feel okay. What is this? Apple Watch charger. Is that my... Okay, wood. This is actually cool. Apple Watch charger. It has a stand. That's pretty cool. I feel more boxes. What's this? Oh, it's a gaming mouse. That's so cool. Anyway, here's itchy. Look at this. Are you freaking? Are you? Are you kidding me? Oh! Turn on. It's not turning on, but are you kidding me right now, dude? That's actually cool. Everything back in the box. So we have an iPod and a GoPro. Those are like the most exciting things. Also the gaming mouse, you know. Alright. They're starting to get a lot of big... What is this? Is this a Rolex? Oh, no. Oh, it's a Milano, so these are like $20 watches. Still pretty cool. I like it. Alright, there's like boxes. Okay, what is this? Oh, what the? It's an Apple keyboard. With a penny in it. That's pretty funny. Okay. What else is there? Alright, I'm not looking. We have our first box. Are you kidding me, guys? This is an iPhone 5. Dude. Oh. What is this? What is this? Is this the 4 that I was gonna get? No, this is a 3. That's funny. That's literally a 3. Because I feel more boxes like that, so I could get my 4, you never know. Or it's just a bunch of 3s, right? Oh! Oh! Okay. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, alright guys. Alright, we're gonna open that last. If that's even real. I feel a big box. Oh! What is this? It's a camera. Kodak EasyShare. This is like from like the 1900s. Yeah, okay. What is this? It's a light of some sort. What is this? Oh! Okay then. What else is there? Case. Alright, I feel like 2 more boxes. Let's see, what should we grab? Grab this. Oh! Oh! Okay, alright. We will look at that last. What is that? Okay, okay, there's definitely gonna be something cool. Okay. Are you? Alright, anything else in here? Oh, cool! We got a car charger. Alright, what should we open first? Let's open the... Yeah, so let's open the 3DS first. Because then we have a 6S Plus. 7? Dude, are you kidding me? If those are in there, I'm actually gonna cry, dude. Oh! Alright, here we go. They don't look like a freaking 3DS. Really? It's a 2DS. I mean, that's still... Oh! Okay then, that works. Let's look at the next 2 boxes. Guys, I'm scared. This is a lot of stuff. I've already gotten like way over some money on this. Literally, we got a 2DS. Okay. Moment of truth here, guys. Are you freaking kidding me? Kind of feels a little bubbly, so we could get 2. What the? Are you kidding me? Oh wait, it could be on a... I don't want to bring... We got a Game Boy Color. Oh. Wait, what's the game at? Oh, cool, look at that. Pokemon Gold. That's pretty nice. I'll definitely take that. Dude, this is crazy. Alright, ready? Ooh, let's get a Game Boy SP, Advance SP. Oh my god! Oh! Oh! We didn't get anything. But we only got the phone! Oh my... And it's literally dead, so I don't have a charger. But guys, we got a freaking 7. Okay, wait. Let me try to turn it on. That's awesome. I will definitely say that. So we got a 7. We got an iPod. Does this work? iPod work. Wait. I don't think it works. We'll just have to charge it, which I don't have a charger. We got 2DS. We got a disco thing. We got a GoPro. We got a watch, $20 watch. We got a car charger. We got a DS charger. We got a iPhone 3G. Looks like an iPhone 3G. It probably is. Easy Share camera. Game Boy Color. Charger. Telescope tripod, headphones, Apple keyboard, and a gaming mouse, and a bunch of money. So guys, that's really what I get when I order a a iPhone 4. That's what I was supposed to get. Okay, this had to have been like. Is this like nice, or like, are they being nice to us, or are they being nice to me, or was this supposed to go to someone else? Cause I don't know. But this is like the best ever. How did that? All right. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you guys. And hopefully something happens to you, cause